Skumba, kunjani mfowethu?
Why? Like, you've been speaking English the whole day. So get me. Hey, Skumba, kunjani mfowethu? He'd be like, hey, Dave, how are you doing, man? How the fashion industry needs to be collaborated. Malcolm, yeah, using big words. Get me. Hey, Skumba, kunjani mfowethu? Like, already, so she just have a Vulture FM. Yeah, it's a Vulture FM. I'm going to do a translator. Like, all this time, hey, I see David, you're doing good, man. Love your fashion. I'm busy. Get me. Hey, kunjani, Paul? All right. What makes you think I can't speak English? What makes you think I can't speak English?
I'm complying. One has to comply. I'm alright, my brother. You look so healthy, even the complexion, you know.
No, this is the thing. Gym is my thing, Joe. Like, gym is my thing, Joe. So I go to the gym now and then. I do aerobics. So today was not just Nje. It was me, Nje, warming up.
You were sweating. At some point, I thought I had to call the paramedics. Someone didn't want to like that. I thought you were competing with yourself.
School shoes.
No, don't even joke, bro. You're so embarrassed about my shoes.
Before we go to traffic and headlines, what is the one interesting thing that's happened to you this week?
I'm meeting David Klale, Joe.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
Come here. Like Dave, I'm still type, but I don't care. Come here. I'm like David, but I mean, that's true. And I'm going to listen to Nyagaza giving at you. Skumbozo. When Nyagaza, manje.
It's Skumbozo.
Skumbozo, come here. And David has that voice. Like, Skumbozo, come here. Like, hey, David, don't use one. Because I'm looking at David, I'm like, Nile type Nami Ori. Skumbozo, come here. I'm like, okay, yes, okay. What's that? What's moving? What's moving now? No, it's just my fingers. Wow, your fingers are that low. David, let's go. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Give it to him. Give it to him. Skumbozo, come here. Really nice lips. I'm scared to be around David. Like, hey, how are you doing? Sweetness, me, you know. I'm Shepherd, I love it when it's not shaved. I'm like, come on, David. I think we look shit, me. One time, I'm sure I'm going to be that's what I like. I love it like that. What's wrong with you? Today, like my sexuality was in question. Him lo, onyakazelo kabuhlungu kanje. What even now fucking in the time? I'm like, David Marano Parila man. I'm Tavano Paril. I'm Tavano Paril to Tavana, I was on Paisis. Only na way gym now, or want to fit Kakulu with young Kinta Baba. No, yeah, that was interesting meeting Ubra Dave. Hey, really. So what are you doing? We can in peace. Can be busy together. No, so means not busy young passing up. Hey, Bana. Hey, Wena. Hey, I was sure now. Hey, when's on weekend? Men's and against this year's Kiela weekend and Fuma boil of love. What about pay like most combo 6 seconds? I'm going to discuss over and just come and Mangam. I'm a prawns. Your schools are joking, man.
Talk about the relay, Skumba. Last year, you were supposed to get a team of people who are shaped like you.
No.
I'm talking about last year.
Last year, I was supposed to get my friends, but my friends decided to go.
But none of your friends look like me.
No, they went on a drinking spree a day before, and then all of them woke up late. That's why we are not friends anymore today.
Okay.
Because they are not serious. So this year, I've decided I need to compile a team of 10 people. I'm number one in that team, so I'll be running. So I need 9 more people. Yeah? So I'm gonna try and go to my friends, and if listeners are interested in joining my team, yeah, they must go to our 180 Facebook page.
Okay, all right,
and say and just give me reasons. I don't just want people that will die on me. Yeah. Must be shape. You must be in shape. You must. In fact, in the next coming weeks, it will be a nice build up to what to my team and what I want my team to look like. Because we are winning this thing, Joe.
Can I be part of
the
team?
No, you don't qualify. First of all, when you are on 700 meters on a team, you're like, you. When the break, go. The hormones I'm with.
And also, please can you tell him that he can't be laughing at my shoes?
No, you can't. No, serious. We need sponsors for good. Serious. Only serious. No jokes aside. I go keep the treadmill on my school shoes. I mean, because I'm going to pull a bonky la porque. Not be a kitchen. Good. It treadmill la pa. Imi coding la treadmill. What a treadmill first day. Everyone, sorry, ma'am. Are those running shoes? Says who? Are you running shoes like this? You know, cool is always fighting. Ulo na belung. 5:30 sekayalo yena. Ngikhala kabi. This shoes zami shoes. Shoes. Don't shoes.
Kaya traffic.
How many shoes up? You driving shoes. There's shoes. Mandela didn't die for this. I'm like, Mandela I didn't die for this. Look at my shoes. Mandela went to prison for shoes. He was there for 67 days. I don't know how many years. He was there for 67 days for shoes. Cool, no. Yeah. I don't know, Skombos, for 67 minutes. Can you imagine a team of Somizi, David Tlale? Ndila bafana betrisam sekuyithusama ngento omunye washona sekuyithusama Kishima pasalo kishima pasalo Thathe nduku sathe nduku ibambe kahle thiyo le nduku naye I must give them a bait le nduku ingazoba song Ngokunyanya shake yazi Skhumbuzo
And the last member will be random. Anyway, you were saying you were talking about the MTN 8.
Yes, yesterday I was emceeing the MTN 8 launch that was happening in Melrose, which was nice, and there were legends. They were going to involve legends. So there was a table where there was Steve Likolea, Chiris Kosana, Jabupule, my gents, Dr. Kumbal. I'm looking at that table. I'm like, man, let tafula na metric long kemos. Let tafula. Oh, I'm talking like tafula. Is that kind of metric and the rehab egg like tafula?
How was Jabu?
How much is it? Rolex of Tanda. Jabupule is my boy. Shout out to Jabupule, man, and Steve Likolea. And you can tell when they're trying to speak English, but it's not in them. Like it's an embellishment. Yes, come on. What you doing, Steve Likolea? What you doing is great. It's an embellishment. Steve. Shama free kick caught any guns. See the point. Herino angari. Wala pana mahlelo no khuzana le player like Elfisha no ban le out le utele mudao.
Oh, Mambush.
I thought Mambush died. I'm like, how? Orla kunjana siyona san ngithi. No ngithi Orla Mambush ngithi body like. Asikhona ngiyakubona ukuphi nje ukhona phela mfishana Mambush ungaka pop. Mambush ungaka. Mambush ungaka. Mambush was the only dwarf person that was playing Sanders. Pasana le dwarf, mpaseni. Not just tell the brother. Mambush was never offside umfishana kanje but miyekeni umntwana koro Mambush ipodcast la Mambush inhloko kaJabupule lingaka what disable nyala but and ngitshela nje bahlale lekusena Eric Mutale was no Dr. Khumalo out sharp like a brad doctor sure yona ntwana brad doctor ngathi naye ileke ngabo David Tlale ma underground yona sanwathanda ku square mntwana I'm like, David Tlale said, hey, doctor, are you really a doctor? Can we do something? Hey, David, uncle, time. Can you imagine Dr. Khumalo, David Tlale? One of them, played the man, I think they're wrong. How? So I said, David, that, hey, played. So, do you really have a blade? Yes, David, why vele bashintsha kama bangathi uba uSara once Sarah Tlale once David don't go there so doctor you find hang right yes doctor kumhlala hleka for no reason we know yes it's okay no what's wrong with this Chiefs yeah we know man it's all right so next question niyaphendula le question lena